guys, this is Lauren from Madison Library. I'm here with Amber today.
Hello.
And we are going to go bowling for penguins.
Yes, we are.
So you should have gotten a kit that has these little penguin sheets. One of them is printed out in color for you. So you should have 6 penguins in all, and I'm going to show you, and Amber, I'm going to show you how to assemble your penguin pins.
Woohoo.
Alright, so it's probably a good idea to color your penguin and name your penguin before you start cutting it out, because that will give you more room to go with, and also me and Amber are going to use permanent markers. So, Amber, do you want to do orange and
I would
I'll start
love
with
to.
black?
Let's go, let's go.
You can also totally be more creative than just doing a black and orange penguin. But we are going classic here. So now, just have to cut them out. Go for it. Right here, so. Alright, so we've got Delbert. Let's just move the whole cardboard. Yeah. Now that you have Delbert, we are just gonna go and you can either glue or tape the top half to the bottom half.
Oh no. Aren't you tape?
Get a second piece. And then you either glue or tape this last bit around back. That's right.
Like that?
Yep. So we can just stick that there.
And then
Pop that over.
there.
And we have our penguin. Oh, and you're gonna want to fold the feet so he can stand up properly. Here he goes. Waddle waddle. Alright. Ready?
Ready.
Ooh.
Lord. I clipped Dean Thomas.
Again.
Yes.
Nice.
Oh.
Half of them. So Anna, Evelyn, and Dean Thomas.
Yeah. Okay,
All
here we
right.
go. Oh no!
Okay, but you,
Delbert, how could you?
but you got George.
Okay, that's true.
Yeah, I
We're one
count
step
that.
closer. We got
I
George.
count that as a strike. Oh, do you want to just try it?
Oh,
Just try
God,
get
I
one.
have to try. Oh my gosh!
Okay.
Okay, one more go.
All right, get him.
Oh, glory. Okay, here we go again. One more.
Oh, nice.
I win.
Wow, you're really good at this. All right, that was awesome.
That was way fun.
I definitely needed the bumpers.
I needed the practice.
All right.
It was worth it.
Well, we hope you enjoy bowling with your penguins, and we will see you next time.
Yep. See you then.